Hey guys, planning on throwing away all the ugly rusted mirrors in your house, which gives it really a boring look? Well, I would suggest you a better idea. Why not clean it up and remove all the rusty tough marks laying on them? After cleaning is done, it's time to upgrade it with style. You can get adhesive attractive stickers in any general store or stationery shop with various designs available. You also have the option of printing them. These are various ideas to give your mirror a more welcoming and attractive look. Let me show you how it works. Just simply peel off the sticker and stick it on the wall to give it an aesthetic look.